Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make chocolate butter cookies. Before we start the recipe, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. Now coming back to the recipe. Let's see the ingredients. 100 grams of butter, 10 grams of chocolate chips, 150 grams of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 60 grams of icing sugar, 5 grams of cocoa powder, 5 ml of vanilla essence. Take a mixing bowl, add the butter. Now whisk the butter with a whisker. Take the butter off room temperature and whisk it with the help of a whisker. When it becomes creamy, add sugar. Mix sugar with butter. By mixing continuously, it becomes a creamy texture. When it becomes creamy texture, add sieved flour, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, choco chips, and fold the flour with butter. When everything is mixed, put your hands in the dough. First, take a baking tray, grease with oil or butter, stick one butter paper, and now take small portion of this dough. Just make a ball of this and flatten it up on a baking tray as I'm showing you in the video. Or you can also do this with your palms. Take small portion of dough, just make a round ball and slightly press with your palms so that it gives cookie shape to your dough. Arrange all the balls on a tray. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. And now bake these cookies in a preheated oven for 8 to 9 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Here my cookies are done. So just take out from the oven and let it cool at room temperature. When it cools down, you can check the cookies. Here you can see my cookie is perfectly done and this is very good in taste. So this was our today's chocolate butter cookies. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our recipe. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Bye.